Welcome to our Ivan TV show. I'm Sabrina from Shanghai Ivan Pharmatech Engineering Corporation. Today I'm very honored to introduce the ampoule filling machine for you. Now we are in Ivan Shanghai factory, which produces the finished PP bottle, the syrup bottle, the vials, and the filled and sealed ampoules. Do you know what ampoules are used for? Normally, ampoules is a pharmaceutical hard glass liquid container, can be sealed and filled. Then guess what ampoules are used for? Normally, it is used for drugs for injection vaccines. There are different specifications. Usually, we have 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, 20, 25 milliliter. Next, I will take you to go to our factory to see the home production line. Now we are in our factory. As you see, there are many machines. Please have a look. Yes, how many machines are complete ampoule production line have? There are 3 machines. Ampoule production line has. The first part is the ultrasonic washing machine. The first part is a servo-driven ultrasonic washing machine. It has 7 times cleaning, ultrasonic rough cleaning, circulating water, compressed air, degraded water for injection, compressed air, water for injection. Then the last is compressed air to make sure the quality. The third part is the sterilizing tunnel. It has 3 stages: preheating, heating, cooling to sterilize. The third machine is the all-up ampoule filling and sealing machine. Let me have a look. The ampoule filling machine capacity can reach 10,000. Then let me take you to see each station for detail. The first station is the bottle filling station. As we can see, the ampoules are running step by step. The third is the frontal nitrogen charging station. The next is the filling station. The coastal nitrogen charging. Before sealing, we prepare the preheating system. And we can see the ampoules are sealed. The bottle filling, we can see the finished ampoule is very clear and has good performance. The home line is based on aesthetic filling design. Also here, we have equipped all racks with a stainless steel laminar airflow hood, equipped with PKO detection port, diffusion pressure gauges. We can control the parameter by screen. This machine is with frontal nitrogen charging. It handles liquid filling, nitrogen charging after filling. And we use transverse servo system. Use servo motor to give more stable operation. Here is the front nitrogen charging. It handles liquid filling, nitrogen charging after filling. Since the nitrogen is an inert gas, which is not active and is not easy to react with the solution. About the solution filling, we use a ceramic pump controlled by servo motor, and the filling value can be directly adjusted through HMI, it with higher filling precision. But whether equipped with nitrogen charging station or not, it is dependent on customer's filling solution and also the projector cost. About the preheating station, preheating can better adapt the ampoules to high temperature heating and ensure the quality of wire drawing and sealing. Heat dissipation fan has been equipped to avoid too high temperature to damage ampoules. Liquefied gas or natural gas, both can be used. The qualification rate of our sealed ampoule is more than 99.9%. The station is also equipped with a waste removal box located under the equipment to collect the wire drawing waste. The machine uses a higher degree of automation and stability. We use well-known brand components such as Siemens. Now please see our complete running situation video. Our equipment have always maintained good performance. It has high-quality structure, are made of high-quality stainless steel, which is easier to clean and complies with GMP standards.
During the past 15 years, Ivan has always carried out in-depth cooperation with many pharmaceutical enterprises, such as the United States, Europe, etc. Ivan is also growing from a provider of solution service to the delivery of smart pharmacies. We strongly hold belief that we will provide health for global human beings. If you have any questions or interest, please leave us a message. See you next time. Bye.